How do crazy property lease clauses stand up in court? Imagine signing a lease that says you can't call emergency services or that the landlord can take your belongings anytime. Sounds wild, right? But what happens if you actually sign something like that? Let's find out. When lease agreements include unusual or extreme clauses, their enforceability depends on whether they break any laws or go against public policy. Courts won't uphold clauses that are illegal or unfair. For example, a clause that makes tenants except in safe living conditions is not enforceable because landlords are legally required to keep properties habitable. If a lease says tenants must pay excessive late fees beyond what state law allows, courts will likely throw that out. Late fees must be reasonable and proportional to the missed rent. Clauses that block tenants from calling emergency services are illegal because safety laws requiring tenants to have access to help in emergencies. Discriminatory clauses based on race, religion, or family status violate fair housing laws and won't hold up in court. Any clause that tries to make tenants give up their legal rights, like suing or reporting violations, is usually invalid. Also, clauses allowing landlords to seize or sell a tenant's belongings without a court order are not legal. When courts review these clauses, they look at whether the clause breaks any law, is shockingly unfair, or goes against public policy. If a clause is illegal, the court may remove it but keep the rest of the lease. Sometimes, if many illegal clauses are in a lease, the entire agreement could be invalid. For property managers and investors, it's essential to review lease agreements carefully. Using standard, lawful lease templates and consulting with a local attorney helps avoid legal trouble. If tenants challenge a clause, landlords could face lawsuits, fines, or be ordered to return fees. Understanding what clauses are legal and what are not helps build a trustworthy, compliant rental business. It also protects your investment and keeps your tenants happy and safe.